Day number 9. Let's go. They were calling for rain again today, so I don't want to clean the car. So maybe we'll just clean the windshield because it's fucking gross. Leave the driveway, mileage is at 108, 748. Let's go. Alright, so when I got home today, a piece came in that I forgot I ordered, and it was a holder for my boost controller that puts it in where the ashtray goes. I already got it set up. There it is right there. Don't mind the gauges, they're a little ghetto right now, but they're working, it's all good. Next thing I gotta do is install a new push rod on my brake pedal that goes to the master cylinder. I recently got a Chasebays brake booster delete, and I couldn't get enough adjustment out of the push rod, so I hit them up, said, hey, I need a longer rod. NANI? And yeah, they took care of me, sent me one out, so got to throw that in, see how it works. So here you can see on the bottom is the old one, on top is the new one. I hope that's enough adjustment down. We'll see how it goes. So I got that new push rod in there. Just gonna run it around the block to make sure everything works as it should. But for today, that's it. See ya.